get it. Now, these fish aren't very big, but it's always fun to catch bass. What's up? I'm Logan Mills. We're out here at a pond because this is number 8, in the series, the how to catch bass. And this, we're gonna be fishing at this little pond with the rod and reel we set up. I'm gonna try and catch some fish today. And we have a boat here, but we're not gonna use it. We're just gonna fish from the bank and show you that you can catch fish from the bank. You don't always need a boat. But let's get into it. We're not fishing. You don't know if you're fishing. Two big old stumps out there somewhere, like we're along the other bank. Try and see fish off of them. My reels will come off. It's not tightened up. No! Man, I lost him. My reel about fell off when I set the hook. That's why you always check your gear. Man, that stinks. That was a little guy, but that would have been number 1. See if we can get another one.
Tell me what you're throwing.
My secret, man. My secret lure. Just doing a bad cast, a drop shot, because there's a lot of grass on the bottom and a lot of, stuff you can get hung in. So try and keep my lure above the bottom so I don't get hung up. I'm making a bed, so I don't know if they'll bite. Probably more worried about making it than trying to feed. I might come back to them. They're back coming through the water. Come on, come on. I don't know if they'll bite because it doesn't look like they're very interested in feeding right now. It's like they're just trying to make beds because they're sticking to one area, not really moving. I think I can see them. Oh yeah, I think I see the bed. I don't know if I can. Should be right about. Oh, I missed it. I'll sit here and try and focus on little. If I see a bigger fish, maybe 2-3 pounds sitting on a bed, I'll sit there and try and get that one to bite. But these aren't probably around a pound, so I'm not gonna sit here and if they're not gonna bite, I'm not gonna sit here and try and waste time trying to get them to bite. Which they might not be in the shade right now, like the bigger ones that want to eat, they might be sitting on the other side where it's a little, a little warmer or something. Because this water, oh man, I could just barely see the back of the bass. Just that little black line sticks out, but it'd be difficult to catch them. He is right there. Little one. That was cool. Got him. A small one. Well, small one, but that's number one, so, you know. Thank you, Jesus. He's gone. I don't necessarily like throwing them, but, I mean, I'm not going to be able to make it down. Well, I guess I could, but that fish would be alright. It wasn't too far. I would never purposely hurt a bass. They do taste good though. It's cooked right, but you know, I only eat my bass if I accidentally, you know, if you gut hook one, and we had one where I accidentally gut hooked it and released it, it swam off fine, and then it just appeared floating. Like it was just very random. It just was floating. So we picked him up and brought him home and ate him. But I'm not going to catch a bass just to eat them, because, you know, I love bass fishing, so. That wasn't in there. Oh, is he? Oh, oh, I missed him. Of course, just watched him come up and get it. Should have waited though. See if I can get a bigger one. I don't want to fall in the water either. Can't tell if that might be a bed there or not. Looks like it. It's very difficult to see in this water. It's a little stained. It might be a bed. I can't really tell though. Oh man, thing's difficult to cast with. A lot of bugs out here. Can't tell if those are beds there or not. Oh, and I can't. See if it is. Can't really see.
I think it is. The polarized glasses, I can see it.
I don't know.
But doesn't look like there's anything on it.
Better one. Yeah. He hit that thing really hard. Oh man, hit my stinky GoPro when I did that. That's number two. Number two. Another little guy, but he hit it. He hit that pretty hard. Whoa. I don't want to go swimming today. There he goes. Let's see, whatever. There goes the fish. Number two on this old setup. Worm's a little messed up here.
So how much is that rod and reel setup? What'd we say in the first videos? $100.
Under 100.
And that's what, there's a link on the Amazon, I mean in the YouTube video to link on it to Amazon to buy the same exact setup. And as you can see, it works. So
Yeah, it does.
you can get started without breaking the bank.
Yeah, number 3. Come on now. Him. Good spot. Oh, almost got it. Man. Like, good hook set, but there we go. Should have brought pliers. This is number 3. That's another one. Watch him get it. Now these fish aren't very big, but it's always fun to catch bass. So that's number 3 or 4. Number 4. Yeah, number 4. It's always cool when you can see him eat it.
Yeah, I got to watch that one because I saw him turn and come towards it, and then it was neat to watch. It's just cool to watch how predatory these fish are.
Oh, he's still there too. I don't know if they'll come back for it, but oh, he's looking at it. Oh, he got it. Let's go. Somebody lost my weight, so now I just have a weightless hook. Is that number 5? That's funny. Got to watch him eat it. Fish. Man, about fell back in. Or fell in.
That's kind of odd that you took a weight. You know, I lost the weight, and now you're fishing that weightless, and it actually worked out here.
Well, there's no, I wouldn't say they're starving, but there's not much food out here, so they usually eat whatever they can find.
So how much time do we have before, yeah, see, there you go. How much time do we have after we got, you know, home and all, and like you said in one of the videos?
An hour? I don't know, maybe close to something like an hour, if that. And that's a little better one. I mean, he's not big or anything, but hey, I don't care. You know, Friday afternoon after school, I always take fishing rather than sitting home watching TV. Oh, got me a stick now. I don't want that. Ah, got me with this stinking fin. Sharp. Sometimes that's why you always bring pliers, but luckily I went too far. That's number 3. I wonder if I already caught one. I can't tell if that's the one I already caught or not. Or no, that's not number 3. That's what, number 6? See if I can pull another one out of there. I don't want to keep catching the same one though. getting ready to go home, so this is, you know, end of this video. It was a long series, but we got 2 more places. We're gonna fish a river and then a lake. You know, we got the pond fishing done. Yeah, 6 fish, not bad. They're starting to bed. Like, you got some early. I think there's, you know, I've seen 2 on a bed over there. Most of the fish I've seen, they've just come off of, like, they're not bedding, but they're not, you know, just out. They're finding partners right now. They're getting ready to bed. But, you know, they're small, but it's better than nothing. I'm glad to get to come out here and fish. But, stay tuned for the next video. I think we'll probably do lake first, because rivers are a little bit more challenging just because we don't fish them as much. But stay tuned. See you in the next one.